Hello guys, good morning. It's like 29th of December and it's the third day of our tour, and we didn't wake up today actually because there's no light outside. So what we did was our guide Neema Bhaiya came around 6 o'clock to pick call us out, and he showed us that this is what is happening outside. You know, this apparently there has been snowfall the entire night and it's covered now in Tumling, and I don't think that we can leave Tumling today. It's entirely covered. It's entirely covered, see? Everything's whitewashed. And it's snowing still now. What an amazing feeling. We thought that we had to go to Sandakphu to get snowfall, but in Tumling we got snowfall, and right now it's freezing cold. And also see, this is snow. Okay, see snow. See, it's all snow on my jacket. Like there's no much light. I don't know how much GoPro, even though it's 0:10, can show you. See my shoes covered in snow. This is an experience that we are loving, you know. We didn't think we will find so much snow. That even yeah, see,
Kind of snow. I don't know.
Bottle snow, and this is Pranav snow. I never have experienced this kind of snow in my life. See, it's falling down the roof and the view. This is our dorm, and see this footsteps. अभी तो नीमा भैया से बात करके हम लोग, नीमा भैया बोल रहे हैं कि अभी तो कोई चांस नहीं है कहीं निकलने का, तो आज यहीं पे रुकेंगे. अगर द sun comes out, then we'll decide what to do. Other than that, we'll enjoy inside the room here now, because ज़्यादा बाहर है तो भीग जाएंगे. So see the thing, yeah. भालो बर्फ पड़ছে. See. हाँ, इतना बर्फ तो भाई कभी नहीं देखा. सी, let's say, oh, it's all flying. Come. Huh. Ankle in snow. चारों तरफ बर्फ ही बर्फ. People, you should like
Experience this.
No, not experience this, because if you got a clear weather, and what usually happens is we didn't get anywhere the clear weather to see the Kanchenjunga. Only in Dhotre morning we saw that. Apart from that, we didn't get the clear weather. So we thought that in Tumling we'll get the clear weather to see the amazing landscape that Tumling offers us. That we can see the Kanchenjunga range from here, the Sleeping Buddha range, but that didn't happen. I woke up at 6. I saw it's completely dark outside, and when I went out with Neema Bhaiya and he told us that it's snowing outside, I just went out and saw this. Amazing experience it has been till now, but yes, one problem that we can't go anywhere from here because of the continuous snowfall and the accumulation of snow in the overall region of Tumling, and it's quite heavily, like it's like a snowstorm, I might say, but it's awesome. Chalo, I'll see you sometime after. ब्रेकफास्ट तो कर लिए, स्नो में भी खेल लिए, अभी जा रहे हैं तुमलिंग फिर से एक्सप्लोर करना है। हालत देखिए। This is the place where I stayed in the year 2014 when I visited Tumling. Nano freezing, local freezing. See, everywhere is snow. नीमा कुछ बोलिए, कैसा लग रहा है स्नो में?
मतलब अभी बिंदास लग रहा है, मज़ा आ रहा है, ठीक है, अपना भी अच्छा है। अब थोड़ा अभी हम लोग तुमलिंग पूरा थोड़ा घूमने के लिए जा रहा है, स्नो खेलने के लिए जा रहा है।
हाँ,
ओके, आप लोगों को मज़ा आ रहा है?
एकदम मज़ा तो आ रहा है, इतना मज़ा आ रहा है कि हम लोग घूमने भी जा रहे हैं, स्नो में खेलेंगे, चारों तरफ स्नो ही स्नो, कोहरा ही कोहरा, जैसे स्नो ही स्नो। और प्रणव जी, आप तो चश्मा पहन लिए, इतना स्टाइल स्टेटमेंट कहाँ से
आएगा मजा?
अब आएगा मजा,
अब आएगा मजा।
ये देखो, ये मजा लेने बैठे हैं।
No goat, no ostrich.
No goat, no ostrich, only yaks.
Only yaks.
No cow.
Guys, this is how Tumling looks. Everything covered in snow. You know? See? Look now. The whole team is here. Everyone was very worried that we won't be able to go and we won't be able to go to Kali Pokhri because there's like, if here's snow till the ankle, there'll be snow till like knee or above in Sandakphu as well. So we just decided to stay here. So day 3 vlog will be all about enjoying snow in Tumling. We are now going to explore the local spots while they are covered in snow, because we went to the sunset point yesterday, but it wasn't snowing yesterday, but it did the whole night from 2 AM until now. Like, it's snowing a bit. See the madness, see the madness. And it has started snowing again. Like, it is not stopping here. It stopped for like 15 minutes and it started snowing again. See, the whole team is here and I have to keep my thumb out for fingerprints.
এই দে কলটা করে নি দে
এখন মনে পড়লো না
Give me some rain, give me another chance. I wanna grow up once again. Give me some sunshine, give me some rain. Give me another chance. I wanna grow up once again.
আরে না
না না প্লিজ ওটা এখন না So guys, day 3 wasn't that long because we didn't go anywhere else. We stayed inside our homestay in Tumling, which is the Shikhar Lodge. You can completely come here because they have a lovely service, lovely lodging and fooding service. So you can definitely come here. I'll drop down the link to this lodge below in the description. And apart from that, we are going to see, like, we are not going ahead with the trek because Kalipokri and Sandakphu are completely covered with snow and we won't be able to reach there because it is completely covered snow till the hip and also above, I think so. But apart from that, what we can do is, like, we can head to another location. We'll see where tomorrow, and then we'll decide what to do for 31st night and how to celebrate the going of the year 2021 and welcoming 2022. So yes, this is all from the third vlog of the Sandakphu trek, which is not going to happen Sandakphu, like it has changed right now, but we'll have some fun for sure. So good night and see you all in the next vlog. Okay, good night, bye bye.